We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
Hi everyone, it is time for our Hakka lesson of the day. 我是 Joseph Lin.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
我们先讲约会怎么讲。
约飛，
約飛，好像要繳什麼費用啊？
約飛，
約飛 that's go on a date, huh? Okay, I want to talk about this because I read recently about the top 10 best places for people to take a date in Taipei City. 先從第5名開始 okay? Which, by the way, this is a great thing to do if this is the first time you're in Taiwan. You know Taiwan is known for its tea, right? And there's a place in Taipei City, it's called Mao Kong, and you can sip tea over there.
貓孔飲茶。
I love it. It sounds just like a cat because Mao Kong literally translates to cat empty. 喵孔
飲
茶. Okay, 喵孔 is the place. 飲茶 is sipping tea. At number 4, of course, the 101 Observatory Deck. 101的这个观景台。
101觀景台。
101就是101觀景台。Okay, that's the observatory deck at 101. Next up, there's a place in Yamingshan called 竹子湖, and you want to pick Cali Lily. These are beautiful, by the way. 竹子湖的采那个海芋。
竹嘅湖。
竹嘅湖。
雜海湖。
雜海湖。Okay, that's picking Cali Lily at Yamingshan's 竹子湖. Also going to Yamingshan to gaze at the star. 要去阳明山看星星。
陽明山看神呢？
看神呢？
看神呢？
不是看神哦。要看星星哦，神啊，
天嘅神呢？
你喜歡看神呢哦？
沒啊，
神呢就是台語就是仙啊，要看仙什麼？看星星，
看星星神呢？
哦，就是神呢。哦，神呢就是 stars. Okay, so go up to Yamingshan to gaze at the stars. 看星星就是看神呢。Okay, and finally, the number one place for dating in Taipei is going to the Ferris wheel. 要去坐摩天輪。
坐摩天輪。
什麼坐？坐就是对。坐OK， 这个坐是坐 OK， 坐 ride the Ferris wheel， 坐摩天轮，
坐的看夜景，看夜景啊，
看夜景 ，That's right, it's beautiful at night at the Ferris wheel. So there you go, that's the top 5 of the top 10 places to take a date right here in Taipei City. And that does it for our Hakka lesson of the day.
什麼大家？
俺子 say 張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製，邀您一起體驗另一種不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Council for Hakka Affairs of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.